I noticed that this side was open, so I'll show you where the coffee grounds are. Oh, they have so many coffee grounds. Look, they have some bags on the ground. And here it is. I just put it in the trunk of my car. There it is. And I'll show you. So, I have some health challenges, so I only get what I need. To make it easy for me, I just roll this receptacle out near my car, and then I just turn it over so that I can get the bags out easily. And then I just place them here. But also Starbucks, a lot of Starbucks have Starbucks in the bag. I'll show you that in a moment. Here is my Starbucks pickup for this morning. Sometimes if you go to Starbucks, you can find it like this. They'll already have it in the bags. Sometimes you see those green bags back there. I have about 7 big trash containers of ground coffee and tea. They also place their tea and coffee. All you have to do is get it out of the recycle. I asked permission. They're so kind. They said, it's kind of heavy, but I can take as much as I want. So I always ask permission, if I can get the grounds that are in the recycled bin. And if you go in Starbucks, look around, you might find the grounds already bagged up. So I usually get a trunk full, like Sunday morning. I do it twice a month, right, to help amend my soil. And the great thing about this, another benefit, in addition to the nitrogen, the coffee attracts worms. Yes, yes, yes. So once you put these coffee grounds down, you will see your garden will be full of worms. Now, I also heard that coffee grounds are a deterrent, a natural deterrent for rodents, like mice and rats and voles and things like that. But I know one thing, I love Starbucks, and now, thanks to my students, I have my little Starbucks coffee this morning. I have grounds for my garden. I'm good to go. Okay, I'll take you along. I can't video and drive.